This time, everybody is wrong about Bitcoin, as we are witnessing unprecedented government crackdowns on crypto and cryptocurrency companies. In the background, we have banks collapsing, we have hyperinflation looming, and economists are preparing for the worst economic recession that we have seen since the 1930s. But Bitcoin is about to do the unthinkable, as we officially have confirmed a historic signal that inevitably leads to an explosive move. Today, we're going to be giving you the proof from the data and from the charts, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest and the most timely Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. We have not seen this in 4 years, and I know a lot of people are getting bored with the Bitcoin price action. Unless you're a day trader like myself, we've just been basically consolidating in this little range. But when we look at the monthly time frames, we see something historical. Bitcoin has closed a monthly candle above this orange line. What is the orange line? This is the 2-day 200 moving average. Why is it so important to close a monthly candle above this level? Well, when we look back at previous market cycles, we can see that once we officially confirmed the close of the candle above this level, after bouncing from the Fibonacci 786-886 zone, it is the doorway to the bull market. And officially now, we have closed the candle above this level. So for me, this is very, very historic. In addition to that, when we take a look at our indicator market Cipher B, we are printing the macro bottom signal. This monthly candle close is not only historic because of the moving average, but when we zoom into the daily time frame and we look right now at what is happening with the Bitcoin price action, we can see that not only have we broken the moving average, but we've broken out of this very key range that we've been trading in, accumulating Bitcoin for almost a year, lining up perfectly with the accumulation Wyckoff schematic number 1, where if we superimpose this Wyckoff schematic over the actual price action, we can see that after the break of this range that we were trading since May 2022, we're consolidating right now, preparing for what looks like a breakout. So all things on the chart are pointing to the fact that Bitcoin is about to get another move to the upside. But Jason, you say, there is so much FUD going on right now. I mean, Elizabeth Warren has declared war on cryptocurrency. We are seeing the US government selling $215 million worth of Bitcoin, planning to sell more very, very soon. We are seeing Binance with a lawsuit by the CFTC. We are seeing the SEC come after Coinbase. Don't you think Bitcoin is going to fall because of all this FUD? Plus, we've got banks collapsing. We've got the world leaning on the brink of complete economic collapse. Well, here is how I am looking at all of these things, guys. When we take a look at all the FUD that has been coming out about Bitcoin and crypto in general, all this news has been very bullish for Bitcoin. For example, when the Silicon Valley Bank went under, what did that do for Bitcoin? Boom, a massive pump. When the government sold Bitcoin on March 27th, what happened? We got a small pullback and then boom, a massive pump. When the Coinbase FUD came out, this was the bottom, at the bottom of the range. And when the Binance FUD came out, this again was the bottom of the range. These negative news events have not had a negative effect on the Bitcoin price. In fact, we've seen people buying the dip. And so when you have the technicals pointing to the fact that Bitcoin is at a macro market cycle bottom, and when you have all this FUD, not just in crypto, but in general, the entire global economy on the brink of collapse, and yet Bitcoin reacts bullishly, this should be telling you something. And again, I do have to say that when we go back and when we look at what is happening right now, just historically speaking, okay, when we look at the Bitcoin price, when we look at where we are, anybody in the past who was not in crypto at the bear market bottom felt that FOMO when we got to the bull market top. Well, guys, we are here again. These are the prices that in a few years, in a year and a half, people are going to be saying, if only, I've been buying Bitcoin right here. Now, are we going to go straight up? Of course, we very well may get a pullback. Now, I want to take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I want to take a look at the possibility of a pullback. Now, first of all, guys, I do want to say that if you are a day trader or a scalper, it does not matter what happens to the Bitcoin price, right? We can long and short from these levels, right? That's how in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we literally have longed the bottom of this range and shorted the top because we were prepared in advance with the setups given in advance. If you want to join the community, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Also, guys, if you want to take advantage of 0% limit fees on ByBit, make sure to click the link in the description in the pinned comment, because you get 0% limit fees, which can cut into your profits. But in addition, if you deposit $100, you get 1 month free of the Crypto Fusion Trading bot. And if you want to know more about the bot, check out the website, jasoncaspertrading.com. Click the trading bot link. On this website, guys, if you want to learn how to trade, actually step-by-step process, check out the courses. If you want to book a one-on-one session with a pro trader, check it out right here. Check out the bot if you are interested. Okay, so let's just be honest here with the Bitcoin price action. When we get the 4-hour time frame looking the way it is looking right now, where we are seeing the money flow and the momentum waves getting lower as the price continues to get higher, it's inevitably been leading to a pullback. And so, of course, even if we get a massive breakout, it doesn't mean we're not going to get some volatility first. So what are the key areas that we need to be aware of if we do get a pullback to the downside, or if we get a big pump to the upside? Well, first of all, if we start to get a pullback to the downside, there is one very key level, which for me is the level that if it does not hold, I will actually be looking for much lower prices, but that is going to be the retest of this very important 202-day moving average, confluence with the value area high of this massive range. This is coming in right about $25.3 thousand. You can see right here, it's such an important support resistance flip. So if these 4-hour time frames and daily divergences lead to a pullback, I'm going to be looking to actually long from this level right here. If this is lost, then we have to be looking back down to a retest of 20K, because 20K, as we know, smooth move up, smooth move back down. This is the next key support if this massive support is lost. Now, to the upside, what is going to be key resistance? We understand that the $30,000 level right here that we have just been bumping into over and over again during the past few weeks is going to be very key, because if we can come above this level, guys, and this is something I am looking for, if we come above this level, break out above, strong weekly close would be great. Come back for a retest, then I believe we're going to see a $40,000 or $50,000 Bitcoin. However, if we come up to here and get a rejection, that's where we could be looking for a pullback. So this is how we need to stay one step ahead of the markets so that we can be prepared for whatever happens. But we can't lose sight of the macro, which is this. The technicals and the fundamentals are pointing to the fact that Bitcoin is about to absolutely shock everybody in the coming years. And these are the times, if you believe in crypto, to be accumulating on spot to take advantage of this next bull market. That is it, guys, for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, the Messiah, and I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.